Hey everyone, my name is Chen, and today I want to talk about to choose out of the 10 decisions, which are the three most important ones that believe to one of the drug companies that I choose. Cool, let's get started. So based on the 10 potential choices we have listed here, we have choices from product selections, quality, the process, location of the company, the layout, the human resources, supply chain, inventory, scheduling, and maintenance. And thinking about the drug company, I believe the most important thing for drug company is the quality of the product. Um, Whenever people who need the product, you can provide the right amount of the drug they need to heal themselves, to deal with the disease. And also the service with provided with products are also important to help them to select the best one they can that are proper to their current situation, as well as with proper money. So the two drugs company listed here, one of them is the brand name Drugs Inc. and the other one is Generic Drug Corp. And the one I choose is the brand name Drugs, um, which follows the product differentiation strategy, which means they have a higher requirement over their quality. So in the next slide, I will explain. I will show which are the three characteristics that I think that are most important to the brand name Drugs Inc. and explain why they are important to the company. Cool. So I think the most important three selections will be product selection, design, quality, and supply chain. So why I'm choosing those three? It's because of the strategy that the company is following. It's a production differentiate strategy, which means the quality of the product has to be different from the other competitors, which means they have to be higher with or better quality to provide to their customers. So of course, the quality is the most important one, and it will be the major priority as listed here. And it needs to be standards exceed regulatory requirements. And second one, if you want to differentiate your product from the others, you have to have a very well product selection design. Brand name is also doing a good job in this area. They spend heavy our investment into our research and development, and they also have extensive labs which focus on development in a broad range of drug categories. And the last thing I think that is most important to the drug company is this supply chain. Uh, to pursue a high quality products at a standard way, because the drug company cannot afford like even one or two accidents because of the qualities of their drugs they're providing. They're gonna ruin our reputations. They're gonna harm the customers, and they're gonna drag them into the long term, like negotiations and all these severe effect in the long term. So a really stable and good high quality supply chain is really important, which I list here as the third important quality to the whole company. And brand name is also doing this right thing, I believe. They intend to have long-term supply relationship and not like the generic drug group, a corp who tends to purchase competitive to find bargains, which means they tend to sacrifice the quality of the products to pursue the low cost strategy. Cool. That's all I have. That's all. That's what I believe are the most important three selections to the brand name Drugs Inc. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, comments. Thank you very much.